Good evening, this is the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. The Scotia Group reports profits amounting to $11 billion in the 9 months to the end of July. These results for the banking group were 24% above figures for the corresponding period last year. The financial group's board declared a 48-cent per share dividend. It will be paid on October 24 to shareholders on record on October 2. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.74. The Canadian dollar is selling for $105.74. The pound now costs $178.66, while the euro is going for $161.27. The JC index gained 977 points today, while the junior market index gained 31. Among the winners were Barito Investments, Caribbean Producers, Derrimon Trading, Express Catering, Grace Kennedy, Indies Farm and Jamaica Broilers Group. On the losing side were Bircher Paints, Caribbean Cream, Everything Fresh, Foss Rich, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Kingston Wharves, Lasco Financial Services and Mayberry Investments. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.